Shalom guys, this is your traveling preacher in the beautiful land of the Bible. Welcome to Jordan, and right now we are here in the land of the Edomites, the descendants of Esau, the twin brother of Jacob or Israel. So can you imagine these mountains, the landscapes? Wow, this is so amazing. Rocky mountains of the land of Edom. Amazing landscapes, amazing mountains. Good afternoon to all our viewers all around the world. Welcome to our channel, the traveling preacher in the land of Israel, Pastor Aris. We continue to follow our videos, share and likes or react, and feel free to comment. Magkano binayaran nyo kayo na pagkakat nyo sa taas? Magkano binayaran nyo? $15 na? Grabe pa rin. Lakas lang yung negosyo nyo. Anong gamit ng camera doon? Yung camera nun. Cellphone ninyo? Wait ka, anak ng tipak lang. Akala ko SLR.
Tapos tayo, nagpabula pa siya sa baba. Nagpabula pa sa baba.
Ano ginawa? $5
Dahil nagpabayad pa yung isang nakaupulan pa sa doon. Sinabi yan.
Grabe sila magnegosyo, no? Budol-budol talaga. Wow guys, look at these mountains here in Jordan, the land of the Edomites, and it leads to the land of the Medians. Against the light. Ilan pa? 10? Malapit na.
30 minutes pa siguro.
Kung 10 kilometers, malapit.
Medyo malapit na.
2 kilometer na ikit tayo, no?
Medyo
beautiful mountains of the biblical Edomites. Imagine mo yun, naglakbay ka na, gumastos ka, kumita ka naman. Pa-live-live lang. Sulit. Hello po, good afternoon to everyone who is watching us right now. Once again, this is the land of the Edomites here in Jordan, and Edom is Esau, the twin brother of Jacob. China Raju. Welcome to the land of the Edomites here in Jordan.
Nakita ko na yung Akabatay.
Oh. Ito na, Akabatay.
Nakakaba na. Oh, ayun na yung ilang ate. Ayun na sa kabila.
Ilang side, right side.
Ayun na oh. Tingin ko kasi sa malayo. Makita ko pala.
tayo nakita yung dagat niyan, yan na, yung Red Sea.
Di ba tayo? Baka hindi siya red.